Hey guys, so today I'm going to go over a couple different ways that you can save your RStudio projects and your scripts to certain folders to help you organize the way that you do things. So as we were all taught, I'm just going to open RStudio here. It's going to bring me a blank RStudio, and we were taught to make a new project. So I'm going to click New Project, New Directory, New Project again, and I'm going to call this RStudio in class, and I'm going to browse right here. This is where you make your path, and I don't really like everything in my documents. I like everything on my desktop so I can see it and access it easier. So I'm going to browse, and I'm going to press desktop and new folder. From here I'm going to call this data science in class LA, create, open. So here you can see that my path goes to my desktop and a folder in Data Science in Class LA. Create project. From here, I created my new project. I can exit out. I see that I have my folder, Data Science in Class LA. Waiting to upload. RStudio in class, and I have my project. So from here, you can open your project. And we learned what a script was, so I'm going to make a new file, rscript. We all learned what tidyverse was, so I'm going to do my tidyverse. Now you usually want to always run tidyverse because that's what you're going to be doing. So I'm going to load my tidyverse. It loaded correctly, and we're just going to do a code real quick. Is Dan the best? Option minus. Yes, he is. Command enter. So if I'm wondering if I'm the best, I can say is Dan the best, and it tells me that yes, I am. Sweet. So now, in order to save it to what I just created, I always go to save as. From here, I can call this script 1. You can call it in class activity, whatever the date is, it doesn't matter. And I'm going to press the folder that I made, RStudio in class, and I'm going to press save. So from here, I saved everything. I can exit out. If I want to access it again, I go to the folder that I made, go here. I can open my scripts. Now let's do it one more time. I can go to File, RScript, type anything I want, File, Save As, Script 2. It's going to this file that I made, save. I can exit out, just like we did before. Go to this folder, boom. Now, let's say I'm doing a homework assignment and I don't want to save it in my in-class folder. What can I do? New file, new project, new directory, new project. I want to call this project homework project. I want to save it in my desktop data science in class. Create project. Same thing. I want to make sure everything's going to the correct spot. Can exit out. I have my folder. But now I want to go to my homework. Boom. Open up my project. Create new script. I love homework. File, save as. From here, I already opened it for my homework, so I can just press save. Exit out, and it has the script that I saved here. Now another thing that you guys can do to make things easier, I can just go here, press RStudio. And let's say I don't want to look at what I just previously had open. RStudio does that. It just brings up what you previously had open. That's okay. Right now my path is my desktop, my data science in class LA, and I'm in my homework project folder. Let's say I don't want it to save there, but I want it doesn't. You can change it manually. So I'm going to go to new script, manual change, whatever. This is my workspace. I can type whatever I want. And this is why I do save as, because it gives you the opportunity to save it wherever you want. I'm going to say test file, and I have another folder on my desktop that I made previously. And let's just say I want to save it to my test folder, data science. I can save it there. Even though the path says homework project, I can save it here. I'm changing the path right here. Save, exit out. So previously you saw that it was in the homework path, but it won't be here because I didn't save it there. I saved it right here. I can open this up, and I am given the script that I saved. Now, again, you're given things that were previously opened in RStudio. Don't get confused. It's okay. These are saved. You can exit these out. It's not going to go anywhere. And that is all I have for today. If you have any questions, email me and I will get back to you.